Guys, welcome back. Today I am showing you how I get my current everyday makeup routine very easy, very simple. Some of this is using the products that I mentioned in my project pan for February because I've kind of tried to incorporate them up into my current routine. So obviously I will have that video linked up here. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and check it out after this video. And yeah, this is a pretty simple routine, about 20 minutes for me to do my whole face. If I'm in a rush, I can do it in 10. I just took my time today. So yeah, I think that is everything. So if you want to see how I got this natural everyday makeup look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to kick off using my Henriksen facial spray before continuing with my morning skincare routine. If you didn't see my skincare routine video that I posted, I believe the last time I posted was my skincare video. I'll have it linked up here now. These are the exact same products I mentioned at the end of my morning routine for my skincare. So it's the Tatcha water cream for my moisturizer, and then the Farmacy eye dew for my eye cream. I can't express how much I love this eye cream, you guys. 360 eye products are like rocking it. If you don't want to do the Farmacy one, there's an Origins ginseng one that's just as fantastic, I promise. And I'm also taking a little bit of the eye cream onto my eyelids because they were feeling kind of dry that morning. Now I'm moving on to my brows and starting off as per usual with my Browvo conditioning primer. My brows are like 10 times fuller than they were when I first started using this, you guys. It's unreal. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill them in using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. This is definitely one of my favorite drugstore makeup products of all time. It's perfect. It's a great dupe for the Brow Wiz if you don't want to use that. And then just to set my brows, I'm going with my Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 1. This guy's definitely starting to run out, that is for sure. And then we're going to move on to the face for a little bit. I'm going to add some of the Tarte Clean Slate Smoothing Primer. That is so hard to say. And I'm just putting this on my pore areas in my face, so middle of my cheeks, my forehead, and then my chin, avoiding the dry patches. And then priming my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape. I believe this one's in the shade Fair. And blending it out using the top portion of this Real Technique sponge. I love this sponge. I think this is one of my favorite sponges too, ironically. I just like using the top for my concealers and then the bottom for foundation. Now, going out on the eyes, I'm going to take the lightest shade in the Lorac Pro 3 palette to set my entire eye area. It's a pretty good match for the shape of the Tarte, the shade of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Goodness gracious. And then I'm just going to take those two shades I pointed at and blend them into my crease and build the intensity up to how I want it to be before going in with this kind of pomegranate burgundy shade almost at the bottom of the palette and just blending this down the outer corner using an angled shader brush and building that up to how deep I want that to be as well. This eye looks really easy to do. You can just build up however you want it and then just blend out if you feel like it's too harsh. And then I'm just taking this almond shade all over my lid to kind of balance out the matte before going in with the Buxom Big Tease mascara. This is my current mascara that I've been using a lot lately. It's grown on me, that's for sure. And now for my foundation today, I'm using the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. It's a little bit too yellow for me right now. It's definitely more of a summer shade, but I'll make it work. It's okay. And then I'm taking the tiniest bit of the Tarte Shape Tape and going under my eyes just to balance out with that foundation shade a little bit. This just adds that little bit of dimension to my face. I'm just doing it under the eyes since it's a simple makeup look today. And then setting it using the Too Faced Mattifying Setting Powder before going in all over the rest of my face with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Using this to kind of help lighten up the foundation shade just that little bit. I really like this headband, as a random side note. I don't know why I haven't worn it in ages. And then taking my Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce and just lightly adding some of this to my forehead. And then also going in on my cheeks as well. I'm not contouring today. On a day-to-day basis, I don't usually contour. I don't have time for that. And I want this routine to take, 20 minutes tops. And then taking my absolute favorite blush, the Clinique CheekPop in Nude, and dusting it onto my cheekbones. Before taking this drugstore, it's the Pixi highlight that she did with Aspen Ovard, which is in the shade London something, I can't remember right now. And this is really intense. And then finishing off a day-to-day look with a nude lip. This one happens to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. Mine is so disgusting. I think I officially have to get rid of this and buy a new one. Another popular one for me is the Ophelia one by Kat Von D. That's another favorite nude. Okay guys, so that is the entire look. Very easy. Why am I holding this? Very easy, very simple, quick to do, only a handful of products. Sometimes I switch things up. I'll add in liquid highlights, I'll take away the bronzer, I'll add more blush, change the lip color, more dramatic on the eyes, because obviously this is a very neutral palette, but you easily can smoke it up a bit more if that's your style by using the colors at the end of the palette. So yeah, that is everything. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And don't forget to leave me your comments, questions, concerns, and suggestions for this video and any future videos you want to see. Tell me what you guys want to see. I like getting to do videos you guys want to do. I've done a couple of them recently, like the mixing my foundations video. You didn't see it, it's up here. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.